Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I will talk one of the very important point related to technical interview tips. So as you know that many of the candidates have interview on 1st April, 2nd April or further, okay? And many of the candidates are getting the mail for the interview. And friends, earlier I have said that you will get very less time. So in this video, I will talk about what are the key strategy to crack the TCS technical interview and the mistakes which you should avoid. So first thing that I want to tell you friends, again, must go with the mock interview. Either you can take mock interview for means any YouTubers, or you can fill our form, and I provide form link in the description. Why I am focusing on here now? Because friends, you will get clarity that what are your weakness and what are your key points and what are the things that you should keep in mind. Either आप मुझसे mock interview ले या कहीं से करें, but you should give mock interview, especially if you haven't appeared for interview earlier. Again I'm saying you, because you will know your key area. Okay, कहाँ पर आपको work करना चाहिए, and if you will basically fill out form, then we provide the what can I say, resume review too. So that will basically boost your confidence and it will increase your selection chances. Okay, now friends, this is one of my, you can say, viewer, and he was basically giving the interview today, and I have just taken the screenshot of this part and what are the mistakes he have done in your resume. Okay, and I advise him to just improve this. So you can see clearly on my screen what are the mistakes. So I'm just giving you 10 seconds or 20 seconds. Can you highlight what are the mistakes he have done? Yeah, you can see the he have given more than 4 or 5 programming language. Okay, and he was just aware of C++ and Java. So why you are trying to give or exaggerate your resume? Okay, resume में वही आप कुछ ज्यादा बढ़ा चढ़ा के मत लिखिए, otherwise you will be directly rejected. I'm giving you honestly. Okay, because they gonna ask you question for sure from the topics which you have mentioned. Okay, ऐसा नहीं कि आप टॉपिक बहुत सारा देंगे then it will increase your selection chances. They will completely judge you on the basis of the answer you are giving. So if you will give more number of topics, then they're gonna ask more number of questions. So please, it's urgent and humble request to all of you, give only those tech stacks that you are aware of it. Okay, कोई भी आप एक्स्ट्रा चीज मत दीजिए जिसमें आपको कोई आइडिया ना रहे that how to manage this. आप देख सकते हैं even he have given computer organization and architecture. There are lots of advanced question can be asked from this section. One human architecture and other things. Data science. He have given networking. He have given DBMS, DSA, OOPS, and all those things. But when I gonna ask the question, the basics, he got stuck. So you should not do the same mistake. Okay, just give only those tech stacks which you are aware of. That's the important key point I want to share to all of you. Now moving to next important things, friends. ये वीडियो थोड़ा लंबा हो सकता है because I will try to cover all those points. So make sure to stick to this video. So focus on fundamental first. You should know idea of the C or Java, Python, whatever the things you have mentioned in your resume. आपको उसको fundamental आना चाहिए. Suppose you have mentioned the Java, you should know what is Java, why it is platform dependent, what is JVM, what is the use of it, what is exception handling, what are the OOPS concept. OOPS concept बहुत important है. In almost every MNC, either TCS, Wipro, Cognizant, Accenture, any company, oops concept is very important. Okay, so with code आप अच्छे से करके जाइएगा. Why Java doesn't support multiple inheritance, and what is the difference between C++, C and Java? So these are the basic questions, you can go through it. Then friends, if you are focusing on our video now, then you will get sure shot at least one matching question. Whatever the question I am sharing you now, you will get. Okay, so if you want this free preparation material, just join our WhatsApp group, or you can go through the link in the description. I will share the free preparation material there. You don't need to pay anything for that. Okay, beside that, if you are mentioned operating system, for example, you can say this candidates have mentioned the operating system, so you should go with OS concepts. Okay, about the scheduling algorithm, FCFS, first come first search, and other things. So that will basically important, and at least basic तो आपको करके जाना होगा. But I will suggest, if you don't know ना operating system, computer network, no need to worry. Okay, just remove that from your resume. Okay, and if you want to give, just go it and must prepare the basics at least. For example, if you are mentioning computer network, you should have idea about the topology, about the networking concepts. Okay. So moving to next, that is be clear about resume, that we have already mentioned that whatever the things we have mentioned about your the projects, about the tech stacks, about the internship, about anything you have mentioned, you must be clear. Okay. Suppose if you have mentioned some group project in your resume, then you should know that what was your role there and what are the challenges you faced in that particular project. So ये सब आपको पता रहना चाहिए. Key concept, that is what is uniqueness in your project. These are the common question they're gonna ask you for sure. So in interview, one of the special tips I will say, be positive and be confident. Okay, don't be overconfident. So that's the things I'm saying, that be confident, just give your best. Okay, because in interview it completely depend on your luck and various factor, but just give your best, and other rest बेसिकली बाकी सब भाई गॉड पे छोड़ दीजिए, दे विल टेक केयर, जस्ट गिव योर पॉजिटिविटी एंड हार्ड वर्क एंड यू विल बी सिलेक्टेड। ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि बहुत हार्ड भी रहेगा या बहुत, दैट कम्प्लीटली डिपेंड ऑन द इंटरव्यू एंड अदर थिंग्स। सो प्रोजेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन आप अच्छे से कीजिएगा अबाउट द टेक स्टैक। स्टार्ट विद द टेक स्टैक। सपोज यू हैव क्रिएटेड अ ब्लॉग वेबसाइट, सो यू कैन स्टार्ट, सर आई हैव क्रिएटेड द ब्लॉग वेबसाइट बाय यूजिंग द टेक्नोलॉजी सच एज HTML, CSS, JavaScript, DBMS, Node.js, and talking about the things. So we have implemented robust system here, authentication systems, and means just point by point आप भाई discuss कीजिए about the approach, about the technology use, and if they're gonna ask challenges, so you should have answer for all these questions about the challenges and outcomes and benefits and how it will basically deploy and all those tips. Okay, communication skill very very important. You should be confident, either you know or not. आप भाई confident से जवाब दीजिएगा, be honest. That's the thing I want to means I have started the video. ऐसा नहीं आप exaggerate कर दीजिए resume, then it will increase your chances. Okay. Moving to HR, which I already shared that recently we have uploaded a video, detailed video related to the HR questions. So these are some common questions. Just go through it. Why TCS? Why do you want to join TCS? Tell me about yourself, strength and weakness, relocation readiness. So either you want to relocate or not, you should give answer as yes. Okay. Otherwise, if you will say no, then that will reduce your selection chances. Okay. Next, do's and don'ts. Just revise basic and stay calm. Okay. Your calmness will be the key to get the success. Don't bluff the interviewer, don't be panic, and don't overcomplicate the situation. If you can't get any solution, you can politely say, sorry sir, I couldn't recall, I will try to recall, means I will try to get it when I will done with the interview. So you can give some polite answer and don't try to become over smart, because you know they are the interviewer and they know all the things. Whatever the phases you are going with now, they have already completed all those phases, so they know how you will basically, what can I say, how you can be over smart, or how you are trying to bluff them. So they know all the things, so don't try to be that. Be positive, be honest, and just best of luck to all the candidates who have exam. And कोई भी query, feel free to ask her. We are here always to help you. And जैसा भी आए, no need to worry, we are always here. There will be lots of other hiring too. I know many of the students might be in panic situation, and बहुत लोग समझ में आ रहा है क्या रिवाइज करूँ नहीं करूँ. That's why I have already told in the previous some video that आपको प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट कर देना चाहिए. बट नो नीड टू वरी, जितना टाइम है जस्ट यूटिलाइज ऑल दोस टाइम. एंड अगेन बेस्ट ऑफ लक. थैंक यू.